Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Umang Mamani and I solve coding interview questions. To know more about me, check my LinkedIn profile mentioned in the description. Today we will solve another problem of our two-pointer playlist, that is remove duplicates from sorted array. The description says you are given an integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order and we have to remove the duplicates in place such that the unique element appear only once and also the relative order should be the same. Now, since it is impossible to change the length of the array in some languages, you may instead have the result to be placed in the first part of the array. More formally, if there are k elements after removing the duplicates, then the first k elements should hold the final result and you have to return that k. One important thing is we are not allowed to allocate extra space or another array. Whatever modify we do, we have to do in place with O of 1 memory, that is in constant space. Let us see the example. In this nums array, we can see 1, 1 and 2 where 1 is repeating 2 times. So after removing the duplicates, we are left with 1, 2 which is our k and we will return it. In example 2, after removing all the duplicates, we are left with 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, that is 5. Now removing the duplicates from the array sounds very easy, but here because of the constraint of modifying the input array in place and in constant space complexity, this problem becomes a little challenging. So here, since we have to remove the duplicates so that the resultant array remains sorted, the one way to do this is shift the elements to the left whenever we encounter the duplicates. That is, we will keep one pointer to iterate the array, that is, it will traverse the nums array, and one pointer for placing those elements which are non-duplicate. So our algorithm will be to iterate the array, and whenever we see the non-duplicate, we will move it to that position where we have kept our previous pointer. Let us see the visual representation of this approach. If you see, this is the given array containing duplicates. These are our two pointers, next and next non-duplicate. Next pointer will be used to traverse the array and next non-duplicate will keep the track of last non-duplicate number. So to start with, we will start from one index. Since 2 and 3 are not repeating, we will increment both. Since this 3 is repeating, we will only increment the next pointer. Again, this 3 is repeating with this, hence we will only increment the next pointer. Notice how our next non-duplicate pointer is still at index 2. So when next pointer reaches 6, 6 and this 3 in the orange are non-repeating. Hence we will place 6 over here and we will increment the next non-duplicate. Again, when we increment the next to 9, now 9 and this is 6 which are not same. Hence we will put 9 over here and increment the next non-duplicate. Now this 9 is same as this 9 which are repeating in nature. Hence we will increment the next pointer, and once the array traversing is done, we see that the length is 2, 3, 6, 9, that is 4. Now let us go through the code and try to understand this approach. So first we will initialize our non-duplicate variable to 1 because in the nums array we will be checking its previous position. Now we will write the for loop that will start from 1. It will go up to the length of array. Now inside this for loop we will write our if block which says if the nums of non-duplicate minus 1, that is the previous number in the array, if it is not equal to the current number, that means the numbers are non-duplicating. Hence, we will put that number in the place of non-duplicate and we will increment the non-duplicate. For example, when the next pointer is at 3 and the next non-duplicate is at 2, since 2 and 3 are not same, we added 3 in the next non-duplicate and we incremented the next non-duplicate by 1. Now, if these are not equal, that means we have found the repeating character, and in that case, we will only increment the I pointer and we will not increment the non-duplicate. If you see over here, when we found the duplicate number, only the next pointer was incremented, whereas the next non-duplicate remained in the same position. So now once this for loop is completed, we will simply return our non-duplicate variable. We will simply return the non-duplicate as our answer. Now the time complexity to solve this problem is O of n, where n is the size of the array, as we have to traverse the complete array to find the duplicates. and the space complexity will be O of 1 as required in the given problem description. So let us try to run the code now. Accept it. Let us submit. So guys, I hope you understood the solution, and if you have any query, do let me know in the comment section. Also, like, share and subscribe this channel to help me solve more problems for you. Thank you.